Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful Microsoft Word shortcut. With this simple keyboard combination, you instantly insert a table into a document without using a mouse. If you work with reports, list, or data in Word, this shortcut can save you a lot of time and make your workflow much faster. Let's jump right and see how a combination of Alt, N, T, and I helps you to insert a table in just a few seconds. Given this sample data, select the entire data, click and drag or press Ctrl and A if it is the only content. Press Alt, this activates the ribbon keyboard shortcuts. Then press N, switches to the Insert tab. Then press T, opens the table menu. Then finally press I, this opens up the Insert table dialog box. Then press Enter, this automatically inserts the table of your selected content. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly turn comma-separated data into a neat table in Word using a combination of Alt-N, T-I shortcut. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Microsoft tips, and comment below with your favorite Word shortcut.